Right. Factorizing by grouping. To recognize factorizing by grouping, you'll see 4 items in it. It'll ask you to factorize. By grouping, we're going to, this is one group, this is another group. So we pair them up. Right. So we look at this one first. Alright, what can I take from both of those? X. We're not looking at this at the moment. A bit on the left. I'm taking out x, and what's left? Just this one. X times what is x squared?
X plus a.
X
minus
a. Right, listen to this. When factorizing by grouping, I have x minus a in this bracket, so in the next bracket I'm going to have x minus a. That's what I want to have. Now, what times x is 3x?
3.
Let's figure out what goes here.
3.
3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus a is minus 3. Now,
How do you do it first?
1 second. Right, so the answers are so the answer to the question was, what would find the factors? Factorize. First factor is, you read it from here. X plus 3 is the factor.
That's easy.
And the next one is x minus a.
Oh no, that's right.
And it's in the brackets still, see?
Oh yeah.
And the third one is also. Alright. If I was asking you for the factors of 6, would you say it's
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, and 6.
yeah, but would you say it's 3 and 2 and 3? Wouldn't repeat. No. So, right, I don't necessarily have to say it twice. Okay? So the answer, the factors are
1, 2, 3.
basically the things that divide into this are, these are the factors. If I multiply these two together, I will get this answer on top. Right, that was question 7. We'll have a look at question 8. So a little bit less talking this time. Looking up. Question 8. AB plus AC minus 5B minus 5C. Right, looking up. You're not looking up. Right, what can I break it? This pair over here, what can I take out? What's left?
B and C.
B plus C. Alright, so I want B plus C on this side as well. See that bracket?
5.
I want the two brackets to be the same. Alright, so it's minus 5. Minus 5 times B is minus 5B. Minus 5 times C. It's alright, you'll get it. Now, what are the factors?
Why is it a plus?
What are the answers? The factors. Yeah, I want these two brackets to be the same.
A plus minus 5.
So A minus 5. Inside the brackets, B plus C, and
So B plus C.
Oh.
I
That's
don't,
really easy.
but I don't have to write B plus C twice.
Do you lose marks if you do?
Question 9, for example. AB plus 5B plus 3A plus 15. Alright, again I look at the first pair. So what do I take out? B. What's left? A plus 5. Alright, A plus 5, I want that to be in the next second bracket as well. Alright, so what do I multiply A times to get 3A?
3.
3 times A is 3A. 3 times plus 5 is 15.
Yeah.
That's a plus, isn't it? Right, my factors. My first answer are B plus 3.
And then A plus 5.
And then, yeah, A plus 5. A plus 5. But I don't need, in my answer, the factors, I don't need to repeat it. I don't need to say it. My factor is A plus 5, do I? I don't say my answer is 11. My answer is 11.
you're done, will you do question 1?
I'm just skipping question 1 for now. So question 10 is pretty much the same. We'll have a look at question 11. 2c squared minus 4cd plus c minus 2d. Right. We'll have a look at this. Look at the first pair. Watch. Look it up. What divides into 2 and 4?
C. C.
What divides into 2 and 4?
2.
2. We can take a c from both sides. Alright, so 2c times c is 2c squared. Bring down the minus.
D. Minus
2d. Right, in the next bracket I want the same. C minus 2d. Alright, so what do I multiply by c to get
C.
plus c?
2. 2.
1.
1. It's 1. 1 times c is c, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
1 times minus 2d is minus 2d. Right, so my answer's 2c plus 1.
2C plus 1, yeah.
Then,
C minus 2.
C minus 2D and then C
And?
minus 2D. It's easy when you get out of
alright, exactly. That's question 11. Now we'll jump to question 15. Okay, so look up 8ax plus 4ay minus 6bx minus 3by. Alright, again look at the first two. Only 4 divides into 8 and 4, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I can take an a as well. So 4a times 2x is 8ax. Oh, okay. 4a times, what do I need here?
Y.
Need a y. Alright, so I need the same thing, 2x plus y in this bracket over here. Okay. What do I need to multiply here? This by,
3. 3.
I need a minus, don't I?
Yeah, that's 3.
Minus 3, and what's missing?
B.
b. And is that okay for the next one? Minus 3b times y is minus 3by?
it. Yeah.
It's okay. So factors, my first bit of the answer is
4A.
4a,
Plus
Minus
minus
3B.
3B. And 2x plus y. And 2x
And then-
plus y.
2x plus y, and
2x plus y.
okay, don't need that. I don't need to write that in my answer. Okay, did you understand that? I'll play this in the back.